Primary cause might be found in the customer's driving profile if they mainly drive for short distances and at low speed. In engines with manifold injection, the fuel washes around the inlet valves and ducts, cleaning the components. However, engines with direct petrol injection do not have this cleaning effect. Their inlet ducts are only streamed by intake air and the engine's blow-by gases. This can lead to the inlet ducts and inlet valves becoming coked. These deposits impede combustion because they reduce airflow. For more information about affected vehicle and engine types, refer to the relevant TPIs. To resolve the customer complaints, follow the instructions on the Vehicle Diagnostic Tester. After eliminating possible component faults, check whether there are deposits on the inlet valves or ducts. To do this, use a commercially available endoscope. Or, if necessary, try to obtain free access to the inlet valves. In this example, the valves and ducts are fine. This picture shows coked inlet valves. These contaminations can be removed using the VAS 294-011 granulate blasting unit. First, fill the blasting unit with granulate. Caution: during this process, the device must not yet be connected to the compressed air supply. Loosen the eyelets and remove the cover. Fill in new granulate up to about 2 to 3 centimeters below the supply air connection. Reattach the cover and tighten the eyelets hand tight. Note that the lance handle has 3 functional positions. Lance closed. A catch prevents the lance from being operated accidentally. Lance level 1. The catch is loosened, the lever is pressed halfway. Only compressed air escapes. Lance level 2. The lever is pulled to the stop. Compressed air and the granulate are discharged. Here you can see a shut-off valve you can use to block the lance. Connect the granulate blasting unit to the compressed air supply. The compressed air must be dry and oil-free. Move the ball valve into working position and observe the pressure gauge. Set a pressure of 4 to 6 bar on the integrated pressure limiter. Connect an industrial vacuum cleaner to the appropriate extraction hose of the granulate blasting unit. The preparatory work is now complete. The granulate blasting unit is prepared and can now be used. For clarity, we will perform the following working steps on a dismounted engine. Before you start, rotate the engine until the valves of the inlet duct to be cleaned are closed. Close all other openings with a suitable adhesive tape. Attention! While working with the granulate blasting unit, it's vital to wear protective equipment. Switch on the vacuum cleaner. Open the lance's shut-off valve. Insert the lance into the extraction hose of the granulate blasting unit. Attach the extraction hose flush to the cylinder head's inlet duct. To clean the valve stem and the valve plate, repeatedly turn the lance and move it in and out. Experience has shown that the best way to loosen the coking is to make a semicircular movement around the valve. For optimal results, granulate blasting should be carried out for 2 to 3 seconds alternately with pure compressed air. This prevents a backlog of the granulate. Once you have successfully cleaned the first inlet duct, close it and open the next. Again, make sure the inlet valves are closed. Proceed the same with the remaining inlet ducts and valves. The device blasts fine nutshell granulates into the inlet ducts and onto the valves. The fine granulates completely remove the coking. Due to their soft nature, they won't damage the inlet ducts or valves. Working with the granulate blasting unit means that you won't need any harsh detergents that could damage the valve stem oil seals. Even if small quantities of the granulate get into the combustion chamber, this is absolutely no problem.